Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from NMWatch and we are back with another One Watch 5 new looks video. Right, so in this type of video, so I will be sharing with you what are 5 different strap options that is available for your watch, or maybe basically for my watches that I've been using for quite a while now. So for example, this the subject for today is this DIY D02 diverse watch. So thank you very much Emily from DIY Watch Club for sponsoring this particular watch, or basically this particular watch watch kit. Right, so I had to assemble this watch myself. So by what I meant by assembling is putting on the hands and the dials onto the movement and all the stuffs, and this is the first ever watch that I've ever assembled myself. Right, so I received this particular watch somewhere around 2021 November. So this is what a year and 3 months now. So it's time to give it a few different strap options so that it would look brand new. Right, so first up is this. Oh, sorry, before we go for that one, so let's just quickly check the dimension for this particular piece. 41.5 millimeters on diameter watch, and this the thickness is quite thick at about 15.5 millimeters, mainly due to that case shape, and the lug to lug is 47.8 with a lug width of 22 millimeters. Right, so nowadays I don't really like to collect watches with 22 millimeters lug width, because I just wanted to focus my straps collection within the 20 millimeters diameter, so 20 millimeters width. So this is one of the few that is still remaining. Right, so anyway, so let's go for strap number 1, which is this bracelet from Strapcode. So this is a straight end J style bracelet, where we have this small link with that J style, and we have that that jangly feeling to it, but still it is a very high quality watch band from a watch strap brand. Right, so Strapcode, I think, is based in Hong Kong, and they have been producing quite a lot of aftermarket bracelet for tons of different different brands. Right, so we have this, of course, J style links here, where it came with this screwed in links, which is very good. These things are made using a 316L stainless steel, so there will be no it will feel very high quality. So the finishing on this bracelet is basically flawless. There's no sharp edges to it. Even this clasp, which looks a bit simple with 3 micro adjusts, but because these links are small, I can forgive that. But still, I do wish that they extend the clasp a bit more so that it can fit up to 6 micro adjusts. So male clasp or male swing arm here, the dual push button with a fold over, so not that bad, but still it could have been improved for something that costs $70 US. And you can see at the back we have this quick part numbers there. So this is I think they have separate brand under Miltat, so again you can always find this on Miltat and also Strapcode website. Right, so this end link is straight, so because if you guys own a Seiko Turtle or Orient Kamasu, they will have a fitted end link style bracelet for using this particular style of bracelet. So but I went for a straight because I wanted to use this bracelet for a whole lot more watches other than those 2 brands. Right, so cool looking, and let's put it on wrist. Before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my Saint Martin SM0030Q2, I think. So this is the bronze case version of this particular pilot watch from Saint Martin. So let's just quickly put the DIY Watch Club D02 on this particular J style bracelet from Strapcode. Right, so my wrist is 6.75 inch or 17 centimeters wrist circumference, so you can see that it fits like a glove. I just really love this particular setup. Right, so let's go to strap number 2. Alright, so strap number 2 is what do you call this, sharp mesh bracelet from AliExpress. So if you guys have been following my channel for quite some time, you know that I bought this one from AliExpress, and I bought this clasp from AliExpress as well, and in total, this thing only cost me about $10 US, but getting it size is very annoying because you have to cut these things, right? So according to your wrist size, and even then I leave it a bit longer because I don't, maybe sometimes you use it on something a bit shorter in lug to lug, so that is why I leave it just nicely sized for my wrist, so and also leave it some space, right? So build quality is not that good. I believe these things are made for using maybe 304 stainless steel, so not that high quality, but still there's no sharp edges to it, and yeah, it looks so damn cool, right? So yeah, check that out, guys. So it looks cool. Yeah, I don't know, what do you guys think? So anyway, this one I think $6 or $7. This one is $3. Yeah, of course I will leave a separate a link, purchase link down below. And we have this milk clasp with this foldable dual push button and foldable, which is not that not that high quality, but still it is doable. And the most important thing is that it looks so damn cool, right? So yeah, if you guys like mesh bracelets, so please do let me know in the comment section below. But you know what, let's just go to strap number 3, which is a leather strap, or double double stitch leather strap from BluSharkStraps.com, right? So I've been a fan of BluSharks ever since I've collecting watches, and yeah, this is one of their leather strap that is available on their website. I'm not really sure whether this particular colorway is still available, but yeah, still I still think they do sell it, right? So unfortunately on this particular version there's no BluShark markings whatsoever, but yeah, still it's really nice, and it looks unfinished, rough and unfinished, but I promise you it will not hurt your wrist. And yep, we have this quick release pins here, double stitching at the start of this strap, and there's no stitching at the end, but we have this big huge circular holes as your where you put your buckle, your pin here, fixed keepers here, one movable keeper here, and yep, and like I mentioned just now, unsigned buckle, which is yeah, a bit annoying, but still. Anyways, so let's just put it on the wrist and see how it looks like. So basically I think they've got a few color options for this particular strap, other than this brown with this, what do you call this, burnt-ish and to the side of the strap. And yeah, I think it looks cool. What do you guys think? So yep, that is a mark that I know I don't think this watch hurts it. So some other watch, it kind of stuck into that the case, but still on this particular DIY watch D02, that is not an issue here. So you can see that I am on the 3rd hole, so there is still 3 holes left, so people up to maybe 7 or 7/4 inches can still use this particular strap. But still, do ask Joe from BluSharkStraps.com if they have something a whole lot bigger, right? So that is strap number 3. Let's go for strap number 4. Right, so next up is this tropic style FKM rubber strap from AliExpress. I can't really remember from which supplier did I get this one, but you can see that the beautifully done tropic texture. I can't say tropic, I can't say tropic because let's just say tropic style, because there is a brand that is having a trademark of this particular style of strap. So yeah, I'm not gonna be I don't really want to have some trademark issue with that particular watch strap makers, right? So you can see that there are tons of different holes here, so that when you sweat, your sweat will just will just evaporate from these holes. And yeah, the brand name is Furman, which is all this Chinese stuff, right? So they don't, their branding, I know, guys. So yeah, but still, for under $10, this is an absolute bargain in my opinion. It's just that they're using this polished buckle, which is quite annoying, because yeah, you want your strap to look cool and look much more durable. So having a polished strap, solely polished buckle, yeah, it's not a good choice in my opinion. But still, you can always swap out the buckle with something a whole lot better, right? So just one fixed movable keeper here, and there are tons of holes here, and I think this particular strap would suit someone with up to 8-inch waist, right? So, and of course they have tons of other color options available on AliExpress, but yeah, I'm a boring guy, so that is why you see this thing in black, right? So let's go to last strap for today, which for me is the best dive watch strap, right, for the money, right? So this one is from Borealis watches.com. so I've been using this strap for I think a few years now, so maybe 4 to 5 years, ever since I've started collecting, and they have increased in price from $25 to I think 35 or 45 right now. So yeah, but still for the money you can't fault it. So it's just so comfortable, and it uses this vulcanized rubber, and of course being a rubber strap it will not collect lint, and yep, the construction is very good. So we have these ribs at the bottom of the strap here to make sure that the watch won't flop around when you are wearing it, and you can see that the holes here, right, so they are the distance of the between these holes are close, so there is why you're not gonna have that, you know, a bit too thick, a bit too tight or a bit too loose situation, because these holes are very closely you know, designed here, and we have this what do you call this, slanted design at the tip of at the end of the strap. But of course this is just a copy of that isoframe strap that will cost you about 100 or 130 US dollars. That I think is a bit too much, right? So, and Borealis stamp buckle at the top, we have this huge pin here, and yeah, it is, you know, it is a unique design in my opinion, right? So let's just put it on the wrist and see how it looks like. So basically, if you guys are serious diver, so you might want to consider this. So you see I'm on the 4th hole, so I can easily go to the 5th hole according to the situation that I'm in. So of course, living in Malaysia, we have a very hot afternoon, and sometimes it's a I get sweaty, and having these huge holes, right, so make it easy for my sweat to disperse, right? So yeah, that is cool in my opinion. Of course, they also have blue, camo green, and a few other colorways. I'm not really sure, but not that much, right? And sometimes they tend to sold out. So yeah, do check out Borealis website if you want to get yourself one of these. So there you have it, guys, my 5 different strap option to make your old watch look new again. So what do you guys think of my selection? And if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.